Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the end cap for the Dorma number 9300 series device. The EC just is their part number, end cap, and then you specify the device. You would generally specify a finish as well. This is the stainless steel version of the end cap. It's not uncommon to buy an end cap. They get damaged, vandalized, unintentionally destroyed with traffic coming through the opening. A door can be held open 90 degrees and you're pushing, let's say, a yard-and-a-half steel dumpster through a hallway. That's probably too small for the yard-and-a-half dumpster. And you can just hit that and really destroy an end cap. They are, of course, angled in such a way to help literally prevent such damage by having it glance off. But the fact of the matter is they do get damaged. It's just simply the bottom line. Okay. It's going to get installed. Oh, got it backwards. I think so. Take a look. Okay, so here's how that, you got your end cap, your mounting plate. That's what it's going to be to the face of the door, you know, with your device coming off this way. Fasteners, you're going to get two machine and two sheet metal type fasteners, or they're probably wood thread, I'd call them. Okay. Let's take some basic dimensions. And here we go. Overall height of the end cap, about 3-inch. Overall projection from the face of the door, you can see that's going to be about 2-inch. And overall thickness, right at about 1.25 inches. And of course your mounting plate, that's going to sit inside there. That'll have an overall height of about 2.5. Overall width on the door face, about 1 3/8. Overall projection, right at about 1 7/16. So I've pulled up the document called Service Parts, and let's see what options. You have to know the device type that you're installing it on, most certainly. And as we, literally, end caps are literally called EC. They are also available, and they're different if they are fire rated end caps. So if you're working on a door that's fire rated, you'll want to order the FEC. The ECs include the end cap, the bracket and mounting screws. The fire devices are the same. I don't know the difference physically between the two end caps, and there may be zero difference between the end caps. However, one end cap was tested on a fire-rated assembly, the other was not. And that's the only difference that really matters. Your end cap, when it's listed or labeled, may actually bear a label on the end cap. So that is possibly why they have two different part numbers. You then have to indeed define, in addition to the series, you have to define the finish, and you're going to pull that information from whatever the device finish is that you are matching. So, if you've got an oil rubbed bronze device, you're going to order or specify your end cap, EC or FEC, the device series, and then your finish, and you'll be in real good shape. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the end cap, not only end caps we sell, not only all of the Dorma products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, previous versions of all of that, their service manuals, encyclopedic documents. And Dorma is a company that's been growing on me lately, and just becoming more attuned to their predictable, responsive, technical support nature. There's a particular individual there who's always responsive. Their customer service is good. Their lead times are prompt, reliable, and predictable in pretty much all cases. And what's nice about Dorma is they're a huge, huge company, part of a huge conglomerate. But you do get the impression when you speak to Dorma that they're nifty, they're clever, they've got ways to make things happen sometimes. So I do like the ability to feel with this epically huge company that gets into so many other things. An old style hardware company, clerks, people who sell hardware, people who can walk out to the back and say, yeah, I've got that part, that sort of business. Deeply appreciated. Any questions on the Dorma EC? This wasn't the 630 finish or 630 compliant exit device or any other Dorma product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.